We've got a little update on the 66 396, and we've got the usual suspects on the scene. We've got some degreaser, some WD-40, and some evapor rust. There is the exhaust valve from cylinder 1, and if you look at that tool, you can guess that. Oh, this guy trying to get away. Cylinder heads are off. Cylinder heads are going to be put in an ultrasonic bath today. You can already see the evapor rust has done a pretty darn good job. Most of the stuff is just loose on there. So we're gonna see how they clean up. Cylinders. This is driver's side bank. I mean, I wish I could go back to 72 and put some oil in this, and it's looking promising. It's not moving yet, but with a little bit of time, I think it's possible. Look at that, just like brand new. All right, stay tuned.